In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Chrome notifications in Windows. If you've been inundated with notifications popping up on your screen, interrupting your work or leisure, there's a straightforward way to manage it. We'll walk through the steps to customize or completely disable these notifications so you can have a more focused browsing experience. First, let's start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once the browser is up and running, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your window, where you'll see three vertical dots lined up. This is known as the More button, providing you access to a range of settings. By clicking on these dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Now from this menu, you're going to scroll down and find the option labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will open a new tab, leading you into the heart of Chrome's configuration options. Here you'll find various ways to personalize Chrome to better fit your needs. In the Settings tab, locate the section called Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. This section is significant because it controls what kind of information websites can use and retain. After you've found it, click on Site Settings. Within the Site Settings, you'll notice a myriad of preferences that determine how websites interact with your browser. Look for the Permissions category and find Notifications. Once selected, this will open up a new page where you'll see a toggle switch at the top that you can turn off to block sites from asking to send notifications. However, if you want more control, leave the toggle as is and scroll down to manage notifications on a site-by-site basis. You might have specific sites that you still want to receive notifications from. That's totally manageable. Below the toggle, you'll see a list of websites that currently have permission to send you notifications. You can go through each one and decide if you wish to keep them enabled or disable notifications for that particular website. Simply click on the three vertical dots next to a site and choose Block to stop notifications from that site. And there you go. Once you've adjusted these settings, you should see a noticeable decrease in interruptions, allowing for smoother and more distraction-free browsing sessions. Adjusting notification settings doesn't have to be a chore. By following these simple steps, you'll take control of when and how you receive information from websites. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Don't forget to like the video if you found it useful and subscribe for more practical tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.